Hello, my name is Abdul Momin and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist and a public health professional. Right, so I do hope that all of you are doing fine, all of you are self-quarantined at your own homes and staying safe, most importantly. Right, so in today's video I'm going to discuss about a very important topic. Well, yesterday someone asked me this question and I thought it is good to make a video on that. So someone asked me that in Pakistan, the winter season is just going away, and probably it has gone away actually, and along with that the consumption of fresh citrus fruits is going to be definitely decreased. So what about the vitamin C intake? And as you already know, you must have watched in my previous videos that vitamin C is linked to improved immunity, which is quite important in today's era of corona pandemic. So well, what I do want to communicate through this particular video is the fact that please try and understand that citrus is not the only source of vitamin C. There are quite a few good sources of vitamin C when we talk about fresh fruits and when we talk about fresh vegetables. So if you are in a part of the world where the winter has gone or it is going away, and the availability of citrus is going to be decreased, so you do not have to worry about this at all, because I'm going to reveal top 15 sources of vitamin C in my today's video. Well, before that, first of all, you need to understand that what is your daily requirement of vitamin C. We call it as recommended dietary allowance in the nutrition language, which simply means that the amount of particular nutrient which you need on daily basis. So when it comes to vitamin C, it is said that the children of age 1 to 3 years need 15 milligrams daily, children of 4 to 8 years of age need 25 milligrams daily, males of 9 to 13 years of age need 45 milligrams, as well as the females have the same requirements. Then the males of 14 to 18 years of age require 75 milligrams of vitamin C daily, while the females of the same age group require 65 milligrams of vitamin C daily. Now coming to the adults, whether these are males or the females adults, for the male adults 90 milligrams requirement of vitamin C is the consensus by the researchers and the scientists, while for the female adults the requirement of vitamin C per day is 75 milligrams. So now you know that in which particular category do you fall, and you can very easily put yourself in a particular age and gender category based on what I have told you. Now I am going to reveal you top 15 fruits and vegetables which are the best sources of vitamin C. So as usual, I have got my notes with me, and I am going to base my options on the recommendations of Dietitians of Canada, which is a highly authentic organization which works across the field of nutrition. I will also give the link in the description box below. So starting with the fruits, first of all, well, one of the best sources of vitamin C which we generally ignore a lot is the guava. So one medium guava gives you 206 milligrams of vitamin C. So even if you eat half a guava on daily basis, you easily fulfill the requirements of vitamin C. Half medium papaya gives you 94 milligrams. One large kiwi fruit gives you 84 milligrams. One medium orange gives you 59 to 83 milligrams. There is this range because there are quite a few varieties of oranges across the globe. Then 10 fruits of lychee, if you consume, you end up having 69 milligrams of vitamin C. Half cup of strawberries, which is 125 grams. So half cup gives you 52 milligrams of vitamin C. Half cup of pineapple gives you 42 to 49 milligrams of vitamin C, while half medium grapefruit provides you with 38 to 47 milligrams of vitamin C. Similarly, when we talk about mango, half medium fruit of mango gives you 38 milligrams of vitamin C, and again in Pakistan and India, mangoes are very commonly consumed in summers, which is just around the corner. And not to forget amla, which is actually the Indian gooseberry. This is a traditional fruit which is grown in Pakistan and India. Half a cup of Indian gooseberry gives you 35 milligrams of vitamin C. So as you can see, there are quite a few good options in addition to citrus or the oranges, which you can consume and easily fulfill your daily vitamin C requirements. Now coming to the vegetables, raw cabbage, half cup of raw cabbage gives you 21 milligrams of vitamin C. Half cup of cooked cauliflower gives you 27 to 29 milligrams of vitamin C. One medium raw tomato gives you 17 milligrams of vitamin C. One medium cooked sweet potato gives you 22 milligrams of vitamin C, while one medium cooked potato gives you 14 to 31 milligrams of vitamin C. Please understand that the cereals, which include our chapati and the rice, and similarly the milk and milk products, and meat and the meat products, they contain almost negligible amounts of vitamin C, so these are not the good options if you want to consume vitamin C. One more thing which is very important to mention right here is that vitamin C is destroyed by both heat and light. So it is not a very good idea to cook your vegetables a lot if you want to consume good amounts of vitamin C, or to store your fruits and vegetables before consuming them. So if you want to have good amounts of vitamin C from these aforementioned fruits and vegetables, please consume these fruits and vegetables fresh whenever possible. So I do hope that I was able to give away my message successfully. So please make use of any of these options, any of these fresh fruits and vegetables, whichever is available in your local area, whichever is easily available in this time of corona pandemic, and whichever you can easily afford. So enjoy your vitamin C and optimize your immunity. Do like my channel and do subscribe if you haven't subscribed so far. Most importantly, share my videos with others so that others can benefit as well. Let me know through the comments if you're liking the content or not. Until next time, it's bye bye from my side.